हरि ओम्। ॐ पार्थाय प्रतिबोधितां भगवता नारायणेन स्वयं व्यासेन ग्रथितां पुराणमुनिना मध्ये महाभारतम् अद्वैतामृतवर्षिणीं भगवतीम् अष्टादशाध्यायिनीम् अम्ब त्वामनुसन्ददामि भगवद्गीते भवद्वेषिणीम्। प्रपन्नपारिजाताय तोत्रवेत्रैकपाणये ज्ञानमुद्राय कृष्णाय गीतामृतदुहे नमः। वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं। श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानामालयं करुणालयं नमामि भगवत्पाद शङ्करं लोकशङ्करम्। Bhagavad Gita, a conversation with God daily. In this series today, chapter 2, shloka number 34. Akirtinchapi bhutani kathayishyanti te vyayam sambhavitasya cha kirtihi maranadatirichyate. Yesterday, Krishna said to Arjuna, in spite of my saying so much, in spite of hearing so much about the eternal nature of the Atma, about what is your Swadharma, and that this war is dharmic, still, if you don't want to fight, then you will lose whatever fame you have gained so far. You will get all the sins and you will become adharmic too, because you will fail in your duty. And now today, Krishna continues, Akirtinchapi bhutani katayishyanti te avyayam. For a very long time, everyone will criticize you, they'll condemn you, and it will be forever as long as people narrate the Mahabharata. They'll say, in the Kurukshetra war field, Arjuna got frightened on seeing everyone and he ran off from the battlefield. This is what? This is the name that you will earn. And Sambhavitasya cha kirtihi. If somebody earns the name of a coward, being a coward, then it's okay. He has been like that always. But someone like you, who has been feared by everyone so far, who has been respected, the Devas themselves come to you for help. You are supposed to be the best among archers, the best among all those who have assembled here in this battlefield, among the lakhs who have assembled. You are the best, Arjuna. And Arjuna means a dharmic person. He is a dharmic person. That's why he is now so compassionate, overwhelmed with grief. confusion about dharma itself can arise only for a person who has got some interest in dharma, right? Such a person like you, now, so far you have been so well respected and praised by everyone. You, now, if you gain such a bad name, then it is worse than death. It is better to die than gain the name that Arjuna fled from the battlefield. Arjuna got frightened. He just ran off from the battlefield. He couldn't hold his Gandiva. He put it down. He just sat down dejected. Oh, you should have seen Arjuna that day. He was just trembling. People will speak about you. Bhayadranaduparatam mansyante tvam maharathaha yesham chatvam bahumato bhutva yasyasi laghavam. Maharathaha, the great warriors. We already saw Maharathaha is one who can fight single-handedly against 10,000 archers. Such great warriors, brave men, they will all think Arjuna got frightened after seeing everyone on the battlefield. They will not think Arjuna became overcome with grief on seeing his elders in the battlefield. He felt so bad that he had to kill his grandfather, his teachers, his friends, and so he did not want to fight. He was even ready to give up his kingdom. He was even ready to die, but he did not want to kill his beloved ones. They will not understand this. Duryodhana and those who support Duryodhana, they are there in the opposite side. That Duryodhana who didn't want to give even the smallest bit of land to his very own brothers. That Duryodhana who disrobed his brother's wife in the open court. That Duryodhana who tried to kill Bhima, who tried to kill, set fire to all the Pandavas. Will he understand that for the sake of his brothers, these Duryodhana and his brothers, Arjuna was ready to even give up his pleasures, his wealth, his kingdom. Arjuna felt so much compassion towards Bhishmacharya, Dronacharya, towards even Duryodhana, his sons. Will he be able to understand? No. It will be just like Greek and Latin to him. It's as if you are speaking some other language. What will they all think? Oh, Arjuna got frightened of Karna. He just came to the battlefield. My friend Karna alone is enough to just drive him off the battlefield. He just flew off. He got so frightened. That's what he'll speak. Yesham chatvam bahumato bhutva yasyasi laghavam. All those who feared you, who were frightened of you, now will just think very cheap of you. Oh, Arjuna what? He is just, he's a nobody. That's what. You will gain such a name. Avacyavadamscha bahun vadishyanti tavahitaha nindantastava samarthyam tato dukkadaram nukim. Avacyavadamscha bahun. I am telling you so many things, but they will speak unimaginable things, unspeakable words. This is just nothing. They'll speak so much more than this. What not? They'll speak about you. those who are just waiting for Arjuna's downfall. Tava ahitaha, those who want you to fail in some way, your enemies. They will criticize your skill. They'll criticize your valor. They'll call you a coward. Everything about you will be questioned. What can be more sorrowful than this? Do you want all this, Arjuna? Hato va prapsyasi swargam jitva va bhokshyase mahim tasmad uttishta kaunteya yuddhaya krita nishchayaha. Hato va prapsyasi swargam. If you are going to be killed in this war, you will attain heaven. Jitva va bhokshyase mahim. Or if you are going to win this war, you can rule the entire world. So, fighting the war is profitable. In whatever way you see, you are going to gain by fighting this war. But if you are not going to fight this war, I have told you everything. What all you are going to lose, I have told you. So, Arjuna, Uttishta, get up. With firm determination, get ready for the battle. Fight, says Krishna. With this, we'll stop for today. We'll continue tomorrow. Hari Om.